Hello friends, I am back with yet another educational video on my YouTube channel Quest for Knowledge. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to discuss about heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organisms they cannot synthesize or make their own food by utilizing inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water from the environment. They have to depend on other organisms for food. All the animals have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Most bacteria and fungi also have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Organisms which cannot make their food by utilizing inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water from the environment are known as heterotrophs. There are basically three types of heterotrophic nutrition. They are Saprotrophic nutrition, Parasitic nutrition and Holozoic nutrition. Now let us discuss about them in detail. Saprotrophic nutrition. In saprotrophic nutrition, the organisms they obtain its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants and animals. The organisms having saprotrophic mode of nutrition are known as saprophytes. Some examples of saprophytes are fungi like mushroom, bread mold and some bacteria. Parasitic nutrition. In parasitic type of nutrition, an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism without killing it. The organism which obtains the food is known as a parasite, and the organism from whose body the food is obtained is called a host. Thus, in parasitic nutrition, a parasite which can be a plant or an animal feed on another living organism known as host. Parasites can be further classified as ectoparasite and endoparasite. Ectoparasite is a parasite which lives outside the body of a living host. Whereas endoparasite lives inside the body of the living organism and derives nourishment. Holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which an organism takes the complex organic food materials into the body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body cells of an organism. The undigested and unabsorbed food materials are removed from the body by the process of egestion. Human beings and most of the animals have Holozoic mode of nutrition. Multicellular organisms they have specialized body organs and tissues for obtaining nutrition. But what about unicellular organisms? So now let us discuss about nutrition in some unicellular organisms. Let us discuss the mode of nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba takes in food with the help of finger-like projections known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is a temporary finger-like projections of the cell surface. So, amoeba uses pseudopodia for engulfing the food, and the process is known as phagocytosis. Once the food enters the body, then there is a formation of food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, the complex food substances are broken down into simpler substances which are then diffused into the cytoplasm of the organism. The undigested food material reaches the cell surface and is removed or thrown out of the body. Here you see that this is the cell surface of amoeba, and when it comes close to any food particles, then this cell surface, it projects the pseudopodia to engulf this food particle. The cell surface extends out pseudopodia in order to engulf the food particle. Pseudo means false, podia means food. So this is not the true food of amoeba. It is temporary projections just to engulf the food particle. Therefore, it is termed as pseudopodia. Here, pseudopodia fuses together to enclose the food particles inside, and there is a formation of food vacuole where the complex food materials are broken down into simpler substances, and after breaking the food materials into simpler substances, they are diffused into the cytoplasm of amoeba. Finally, the undigested food materials, it reaches the cell surface and is thrown out of the body. This is how nutrition takes place in amoeba. Let us discuss nutrition in Euglena. Euglena has chloroplast which performs photosynthesis, but in absence of light or low light, it feeds on other microorganisms by engulfing it by the process of phagocytosis. In unicellular organisms such as Paramoecium, food is taken in at a particular or specific spot. Here, Paramoecium has the mouth pore through which the food is taken in. The entire body surface is covered by hair-like structure known as cilia, and the movement of cilia helps in moving the food to this particular spot. The undigested food is removed from the body through the anal pore. Today we discussed about heterotrophic nutrition. We also discussed about different types of heterotrophic nutrition such as saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. We also discussed about nutrition in some unicellular organisms such as amoeba, euglena and Paramoecium. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching it.